Hi everyone, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show how to rig character modes in Duik Bassel 2. Let's begin. I have one composition head, character head, then open mods folder and select all PNG files. Move to here. Nice. Then select all PNG files and click right mouse. Precomps. Add precomps name. OK and click OK. I have two composition, head and mod. Open mod composition and go to Window, down Duik Bassel 2. Duik is free script and you can download official website. Click here, rigging and connector, click this circle. We have more icons and we need to click this slider for make mods animation. Let's click. Nice. We have slider, but it is very little. Let's change size. Click this slider and press S. Change size. Nice. And move to here. We have slider, but it's not working. Okay, then select all PNG files and type only value. Then connect to opacities. Nice. Let's use slider. Nice, working. Okay, we can hide this icon. Select this icon and hide. Nice. Our slider is working. Going to character composition and select mods composition. Move to here. Okay. And going to mods, select these slider files, shapes, and going to character composition, select mods, and going to controllers, extract here. Yeah, nice. And we can close Duik Bassel window and select this red circle, move to left and right. Nice, it's working. Let's create chaos for animation. Select this circle and press P. For animation, let's click this icon for create K and move to 1 second. Change slider. Okay. Let's see animation. Nice. We can make next case for next animation sequence. Move to 2 seconds and click here. Move to 3 seconds and click here. Change size and move to left. Okay, let's see. Nice. Select all keys and right keyframe assistant and easy ease. For shortcuts you can press F9 for easy keys. Okay, nice. For render you can hide these shapes and render only character and mods. Nice. Okay, thank you for watching my tutorial and don't forget subscribe channel, like video. Thank you.